Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Arnett Gardens are seeking to solidify an automatic qualification spot to the semi-finals of the playoffs, where they face defending champions Cavalier in the feature match of a doubleheader at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex as action continues in the Jamaica Premier League today. The Junglists are second in the standings on 65 points, while Cavalier are fifth on 48. The match kicks off at 7:45 p.m. Meanwhile, in the curtain raiser, Chapelton Maroons, one of three teams on 29 points, are on a three-match unbeaten run and would want to continue that run when they battle Waterhouse. Waterhouse are looking to make it to 3 straight wins. That game starts at 5 p.m. President of World Boxing Boris van der Verst says he's impressed with the level of development of the sport in Jamaica as he visits the island. Verst explains that he wants to elevate the sport even more and improve the facilities.
We're discussing how we can assist, how we can help. And I think we are establishing now some ideas how we can improve the boxing development in Jamaica, because we want to see some great champs from Jamaica in the near future for the World Championships in England, but also for World Boxing Cups. And it's also important not only to develop grassroots boxing, but also to organize international competitions in Jamaica.
He's also impressed with the work done by Jamaican Boxing Association President Stephen Bomber Jones.
And I think there's a great potential. And you have a great president, Bomber Jones, who is also part of the Confederation board member. He's part of the Olympic Commission within World Boxing. He's really doing a great job for boxing in Jamaica and worldwide. So I'm happy to see how we can contribute to make the boxing world better in Jamaica.
And finally, the West Indies white ball team enters a new phase. The tour to England and Ireland will see a new T20 captain settle into the role ahead of the campaign. Shea Hope assumes the role of T20 captain in addition to his existing ODI captaincy. He replaces Jamaican Robman Powell, who led the T20 side since May 2023. Cricket West Indies also announces a leadership transition across the Test format ahead of a crucial home season. The upcoming series will mark the new start of an ICC World Test Championship cycle with Test matches against Australia. Craig Brathwaite has officially stepped down as Test captain. He has submitted his resignation ahead of the home series against Australia, giving the new leadership time to establish itself. The series will be particularly special, allowing Brathwaite, who is a 2 match shy of 100 Test matches, to double down on his batting without added responsibility. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that concludes the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.